Artificial intelligence isn't the future of teaching. It's already here.
But most teachers haven't had the time to catch up. That's why we run a free weekly Teacher AI workshop.
Just 1 hour, once a week.
No slides, no hype. Just real tools you can start using now, like ChatGPT and Google Gemini to save time and teach smarter. You'll also meet other UK teachers doing the same. Here's what you'll learn.
An introduction to AI in education.
Using ChatGPT for lesson ideas.
Marking with AI assistance.
Artificial intelligence for differentiated learning.
Voice notes for feedback.
Automatically generating worksheets and quizzes.
Creating rubrics with AI.
Personalizing learning with prompt engineering.
English as an additional language support using translation tools.
Time-saving hacks with AI.
Google Gemini in the classroom.
Creating video lessons with AI.
Using AI for assessment insights.
Rewording and simplifying text.
Writing emails and reports faster.
Planning schemes of work with AI.
Supporting special educational needs students with AI tools.
Exploring classroom co-pilot tools.
Understanding AI ethics and safe usage.
And of course, networking with other UK teachers.
Join the Teacher AI workshop community.
Register now at teacherai.eventanywhere.com.